Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to open a demo account with GatesFX, step by step. First, open your browser and go to GatesFX.com. Once you're on the homepage, click Start Trading at the top right corner. Next, create your account by filling in your registration details and clicking Continue. After your account is created, you'll have access to your dashboard. To open a demo account, go to the Accounts tab and select Open Demo Account. Click the Open Demo Account button to get started. First, choose your account category. You can pick either MT5 or Trade Locker Demo. For this tutorial, we'll select MT5. Click Continue. Now, select your account type. I'll go with Demo No Commissions. Then choose your leverage, account currency, and initial balance. Once everything looks good, click Continue. Finally, confirm all the details by clicking Continue again. Your demo account will now be created. You'll see your login credentials, investor password, and other important details. And that's it. You can now log in and start practicing on your GatesFX demo account. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.